Nakikipagnegosasyon na umano ang kampo ni Nonito Donaire Jr. sa panig ni Naoya Inoue upang matuloy na ang inaabangan nilang rematch. This is definitely a fight we would love to do and Nonito would love to have it as well. We don't have a problem going to Japan. Donaire has the balls to go into the Lion's Den again. This is one of the biggest fights you can make in the sport, ayon kay Probellum CEO Richard Schaffer. Si Donaire hawak na ngayon ng Probellum. I can't speak on behalf of Inoue, but I know that's the fight he wants as well. I've always believed that when there is a big fight to be made, you make it. And this is a big fight. I am going to exhaust every resource and will not leave any stone unturned to pull off this fight, dagdag pa ni Schaffer. Unay nagharap sina Donaire at Inoue noong 2019 sa Japan kung saan wagi si Inoue via unanimous decision. Bagamat natalo si Donaire, nagmarka ang naturang laban na tinaguri ang PAM 2019 Fight of the Year. Si Inoue ay may hawak ng WBF, WBA at IBF bantamweight belt habang na kay Donaire ang WBC belt na nasabing